Morning friends. Now that winter's here, I haven't been getting up too early, but it's nice this morning just to be here down by the lake. We're currently still in Germany and we're actually in the region called Berchtesgaden. It's a very chilly morning here by the lake. It's cold. That behind me here is called Hintersee. It's a stunning lake in southern Germany. Very picturesque place here, very nice place. And I've been here a few times for photography actually. So apart from the beautiful mountains and lakes and nature, there's also a few scenic churches as well with nice backdrops behind them. So if you're into photography, you definitely got to check this place out.
Hey everyone, hope you're all great and you're having a wonderful year so far. For us this week was calm and slow. Right now I'm preparing breakfast. We're big fans now of granola and yogurt. Ready?
We've been having granola every day I think for the last couple of weeks now.
Yeah.
I don't know what's wrong with us. We always kind of go through phases and we mix up our breakfast. So we're going through an English breakfast phase where we have like a full out English breakfast every day.
Yeah.
Sometimes we were fasting, went through a period where we didn't have nothing.
Yeah.
And now like for the last few weeks
Sometimes
we've just
toast
been...
as well.
Yeah, toast. For the past few weeks it's just been this.
Yeah.
Yogurt and granola. And it's quite good actually.
It fills you up as well. And it's healthy.
Someone's all dressed and ready to go.
Something that makes us complete when we finally see.
So we're currently just out for a walk through the valley. It's still cold, now we can see it's a lovely day today. Blue skies, but because of the huge mountains, it's about 10 o'clock and there's still no sun yet. So we're hoping about in the next 45 minutes, 1 hour, the sun should reach the valley and we can warm up our fingers a bit.
So the official trail is this way, but we're on this track now. Cars can pass from here, but only those ones which have a permit. And it's so lovely that we're here surrounded with these beautiful trees. They're very huge, and now the sun is peeking behind the mountains. So
that's another reason why we passed from here, because the other trail was through the forest and our hands were freezing. So Charlene insisted that we pass from this road.
yeah,
But it's nice, only one car has passed.
it's so good, right? To feel like the first layer of your skin warm, a little bit warm.
Yeah, we needed it.
And there are these tiny birds. They're smaller than the palm of my hand, and they're creating this beautiful sound.
Here with the sun on our backs, it's all we need. Together with hearts intertwined, there's nothing quite like.
So this short hike leads us to a suspension bridge, and there is a lovely view of the mountains as well. So we're heading up there right now. Within like 1 minute or two we'll be there.
We can finally see the bridge.
What happened here? There's no water coming. Everything's dry.
We're here.
Wonderful.
And something which is really weird is there's no water at all here. It's quite unbelievable. We actually came to this place a few years ago, the very first time we visited the region. And when we were here, it was around summertime, and there was a flowing river underneath, so much water, and it's empty right now. Really unbelievable.
All we can see is just emptiness. It's very sad.
You can just pass from here now. You don't need the bridge. So the fact that we're in winter now and there's no water, so strange. And you can't tell really whether it's an effect like of global warming or whether it's just like a slow season, because even like in winter, sometimes you get a lot of snow and sometimes it doesn't snow as much here. But something's definitely wrong.
I had in mind to cook French onion soup, but I don't have dry wine and I don't have enough time because I'm so hungry that I want to eat now, like in 15 minutes. So what I'm going to cook is spaghetti pasta, and earlier this week I cooked it already and I still have some left, so I'm gonna cook this. Nothing special, but it does the job. It's okay. Very simple and very efficient because in 10 minutes I will be eating. Chris had tuna and mayo wrap, and to be honest, we're both exhausted. I have this pasta left, so it's good. I don't waste any. The weather outside is really cold. So Chris is having a cup of tea because he's a bit exhausted after that hike. Even me, I'm feeling exhausted. But even the cold, it doesn't help at all. My hands were swollen after we arrived in the van. I had to like stay in front of the heater and warm them up a bit because they were hurting me so much. But now I'm okay. Now I'm just so hungry. All we ate today was that granola and yogurt, and yeah, I'm looking forward for dinner. The smell of olive oil, I love it so much. I still need to do the French onion soup because I have a batch of onions and they've been in the fridge for 1 week now or 2 weeks. Not sure, but yeah, I need to get rid of them. Woo! Pasta, baby! Basilico. Woo! I love it when it's al dente. And Holly is snoring. She's snoring so much. Smells good already. Yummy. I think Chris slept and Holly woke up. Pasta with grana padano, it's the best. She smelled food, she's coming. I'm full, that was really good. I gave Holly some yogurt and now she's having her food. Done. Hello. Wake up. I'm feeling tired as well.
Oh my god, I'm so
You woke up early, that's why.
Oh my god, I'm so tired. So before we leave this parking spot, we need to go and check out the lake for sunset. Holly here is all dressed, but while we were just putting on our shoes, she's gone back to sleep. Come on, Holly, let's go.
She's not in the mood. It has the mirror effect now.
And that is why I woke up. I wasn't going to if you didn't wake me up, you know. I was so tired. I was just in bed having a cup of tea, and I thought, let me rest for a bit, and then bang, I was out for about an hour or two.
Yeah, an hour I think it was. You woke up early, that's why.
Yeah, early riser this morning, but still, I'm surprised I'm so tired. Anyway, we're
So
just in
looking
time
forward now, yeah, for the sunset.
for sunset. Yeah, I'm gonna go and check out this lake because it is a beautiful place here.
Wow, the color of the lake is awesome, huh? There are many different type of green and clear emerald green. What is it?
Yeah, it starts from light green and it gets darker in the middle where it's deeper.
Wow.
Look at that.
The size of this lake is very small compared to other lakes like Lake Bled or St. Moritz, for example. But you can go round. There is a lovely walk, and I think it takes like 1 hour to do it. It's really nice here. And there's like this mirror effect on the water. Today the weather is beautiful as well.
Yeah, those mountains are looking fine. Like,
Wow.
if it wasn't for the like little ripples the wind's doing, you wouldn't even see the water here.
On camera, I don't think even the ripples are being...
Yeah, it doesn't even show. So like here, this is all underwater. It's so clear. So just in front of us, there's these large rocks on the lake, and I think this part is the most beautiful part of Lake Hintersee. Wow, so the sky is just lighting up in that direction, and I think we're in for a killer sunset.
Wow, I'm so glad that we came here because now we can see the colors of the sunset and it's amazing. We have pink and orange. Wow, incredible.
I'm falling, falling down. I'm falling, falling down. I'm falling, falling down. I'm falling, falling down.
A 10 out of 10 sunset, huh? High
Sure.
five. There's a dog right in front of us. Look at her. She's in a hurry.
Someone's in a rush here.
Let's go.
Your destination is on the right.
Hold it. Oi. Oh, I'm so tired. Even this one, look at her.
This one's dead. So we're at our new park up here, up on a mountain pass. It was a very high drive to get up here. And we're on this like lay-by on the side of the road, overlooking what looks like a nice view. We'll hopefully see in the morning. The only problem is we're winding down to get to sleep. And it's the second time it's happened now tonight. A car has come by and like tooted the horn. Kind of feels like we're not welcome here. I guess it's maybe one of the locals or some of the locals. Maybe they just toot the horn. I don't know, to bother whoever's staying. I don't know. Another car's coming now. No, that one's okay. He didn't too. And it's such a quiet road that when a car does pass, you hear it. And obviously, when you toot the horn, they wake you right up. I was nearly...
asleep and...
Yeah. I wasn't asleep. I was like falling asleep, but now I'm wide awake again. Oh my God. It's midnight now, and like the road has really quieted down, but I really hope that they don't do it again. We don't feel like moving on. We're so tired today. We're so tired.
Yeah,
Woke up
our
early.
muscles are very sore as
Yeah.
well. I can't feel my muscle, one
Yeah.
of them. Wow.
Holly's the same. She's asleep.
Yeah, she's knackered, yeah.
We're going to risk it, yeah?
Yeah, we'll stay here.
Yeah, I'm too tired. We're going to risk it and we'll let you know in the morning.
Yeah.
Hopefully we get a good night's sleep. Good night.
Feeling very, very tired today. Last night we slept only 4 hours and a half, and it's not enough. After that hike, our body, it's like, wasn't ready for it. And I wish I slept more, but I'm very disappointed, to be honest, that they did this to us. It's very frustrating, but there's nothing we can do.
Good morning. Still a bit tired here. Last night we managed to get to sleep about 1 o'clock. Luckily we didn't have any other disturbances at night, and we slept through to this morning until about 5 or 6 a.m. I think it was, and they started beeping again. I don't know why they do it, whether it's just to make us feel unwelcome or whether it's maybe people just trying to cause a bit of chaos. On the plus side though, we managed to see a nice sunrise from up here, which was really nice.
At least we got something good out of it.
Yeah, I wanted to sleep though. I wanted to sleep in a bit, so really
Yeah.
gutted about that.
Yeah, because our muscles are very sore as well from yesterday's hike. So,
Yeah, I don't know why they do it. Let us know if it's ever happened to you. Maybe if you've been wild camping and you've had people like beep the horn or do anything just to cause trouble.
yeah. And I think in certain areas only, because this happened only here, you know, because wherever we parked, I mean, in Europe now, it was okay. And now here, I don't know, they want to wake us up.
That's true. So I think we'll close the video here. If you made it this far, thanks so much for watching. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.